Hi everyone, my name is Mark Ianson, and a lot of people ask me about getting finance on deals, getting their properties funded, or just getting finance in general. And I thought it was about time. I think it's my 60th webinar, I think. But this online training, a webinar, has got my family property broker involved. He's coming on. Kit is a fabulous broker. He's been a tremendous help to my group of clients and students over the past couple of years, and he's brilliant now with WhatsApp group. He sees clients all the time, helps them out, helps them get through finance and stuff. Like for example, I'll give you an idea. Can you get a property off a landlord on a rent-to-rent basis and then turn it into an SA and keep within the approval of the mortgage company, because you don't actually own the mortgage when you get it, And lots of people are touting these, rent to SA is a great strategy. But if the mortgage company doesn't allow you to do it on short lets and just has ASTs as their criteria, then it's illegal. You can't do it. So I've got Kit coming on, Kit Peterson. He wanted to become a client a while ago, and he was just starting his, a few years ago, and he was just starting his mortgage broking business. And I thought, well, we need a mortgage broker, in the family to refer to, and we need a decent one. So how about you, blooming, building your business as a mortgage broker? Because you can't really do two things at once. You've got to do concentrate on one thing at once. And he did that, and he's built a great business. So what I'll do is it's on Tuesday night at 8 o'clock. If you use Google Chrome on a desktop or a laptop, that'll be brilliant, because it's a video, so it feeds, it uses a lot of bandwidth. So sometimes phones don't work on this type of thing. So it's Meet the Mortgage Broker. Any questions you like on financing, raising finance, funding a deal, working with JV partners, funding some of the things that you've heard are strategies on groups or on trainings or whatever it is, then I'll have Kit on live with me. I'll be asking him questions, kind of an interview style webinar. It'll be a cracking evening, 8 till 9. Grab a cup of cocoa or a glass of wine, get comfy, take some notes, film it if you want to, and ask as many questions you like, because I'll be in the chat box, doing the questions for him, just so he doesn't flap. All right. So my name's Mark Ianson. I'd love to see you at 8 o'clock on Tuesday night with Kit Peterson, our mortgage broker, and he'll be answering all your questions on funding deals and getting finance. So my name's Mark. I'll speak to you soon.